Welcome to the birth of a legend, exploring Ford's vintage era. In this journey, we delve into the rich history of Ford, a brand synonymous with innovation and American automotive heritage. Our story begins with the iconic Model T, a vehicle that revolutionized transportation and industry in the early 20th century. As we travel through time, we witness the evolution of design and technology, from the rugged charm of the Model T to the elegance of the 1930s V8 models. Each car tells a story of ingenuity and vision, reflecting the changing tides of an era. We explore the impact of Ford's assembly line, a groundbreaking invention that not only transformed automobile manufacturing but also shaped modern industrial production. The video brings to life the vintage era of Ford, showcasing classic models, historical footage, and the legacy that has influenced generations. Join us in celebrating the birth of a legend as we pay tribute to the timeless classics of Ford's vintage era.